I'm Adam. I am, in fact, Dan, also known as Zazuga on my channel, called Zazuga. I'm just going to go ahead and shamelessly plug myself now. I am, as you've already saw, a speed drawer person, like Adam. I also vlog and do comedy sketches when I can actually think of something funny. Plug complete! This picture, if you didn't know, is Mega Man. You probably knew it was Mega Man, but you probably didn't know it's Yellow Devil unless you're a hardcore fan. Go you! Mega Man celebrated 25 years this year, which is pretty awesome. And yeah, I wanted to celebrate it. Anyway, thanks for having me here on the Cartoon Loon. I know I'm not Adam, but I tried my hardest and that's what counts. Yes. If you have enjoyed my brief time with you guys on this channel, please head over to Zazuga and check me out. And I will see you soon if you do. Goodbye. Oh, it was pretty good, wasn't it? You know what I realised the other day? I am afraid to tell people that I'm good at art. I don't know what it is, because at the end of the day, I am good at art. I'm not the best.